Find the derivative of y equal to x cos x raised to x plus x sin x raised to 1 by x. So we have two terms. Let us consider the first function as u of x and second function as v of x. So the given function y is the sum of u of x and v of x. So we have to differentiate separately. Differentiate u with respect to x, that is du by dx. Differentiate v with respect to x, that is dv by dx. Now take their sum, that gives our result dy by dx. This is the process. So first function u of x equal to x into cos x raised to x. So it is a function to power another function. So in this case taking logarithm on both sides. So this becomes log u of x or log u. Log u equal to log x into cos x whole raised to x. That is log u equal to write the power x into log of x into cos x. Now look at here, log of x into cos x. That's a result. Log of a into b. What is log of a into b? That is log a plus log b. So what is log of x into cos x? It is log x plus log cos x. So x into log x plus log cos x. Left side is log u. Okay. Now differentiating on both sides. What is log u? Derivative of log u. That is 1 by u. And we are differentiating u with respect to x. So du by dx equal to, here x into log x plus log cos x. Two functions. So we have to apply product rule or chain rule. X is first function and log x plus cos x is log cos x is second function. So apply chain rule. First into derivative of d by dx of second function. What is second function? Log x plus log cos x. First into derivative of second plus second into, what is second? Log x plus log cos x. Second function into derivative of first. Derivative of x is 1. So 1 by u into du by dx equal to x into, listen here, derivative of this bracketed expression. So listen, x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus derivative of log cos x. So listen, suppose cos x is x. So what is derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. Derivative of log y, 1 by y. Derivative of log z, 1 by z. So what is derivative of log cos x? It is 1 by cos x into, it's not finished, into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus derivative of log cos x. Derivative of log is 1 by. So derivative of log cos x is 1 by cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus log x plus log cos x. Okay. Now open the bracket. So x into 1 by x. X into 1 by x becomes 1 plus x into, listen, 1 into minus sin x, that is minus sin x by cos x plus log x plus log cos x. Now cancelling x, we get 1 plus and minus becomes minus x into sin x by cos x. What is the ratio sin by cos? Sin by cos is tan. So sin x by cos x is tan x plus log x plus log cos x. That is our 1 by u into du by dx. So what is du by dx? Du by dx equal to, take this u by u to other side. So this becomes u into 1 minus x tan x plus log x plus log cos x. Now replace u. U means our function u of x. U of x is x cos x the whole raised to x. So x cos x the whole raised to x into 1 minus x tan x plus log x plus log cos x. Okay. So du by dx obtained. Similarly, we have to find dv by dx. Let's see. V of x. V of x equal to x sin x raised to 1 by x, or v equal to x sin x raised to 1 by x. Taking logarithm on both sides, we get log v equal to 1 by x into log x into sin x. Okay, 1 by x into log x into sin x, because log p raised to n, what is the result? N into, write the power, n into log p. So using this result, log x into sin x raised to 1 by x becomes 1 by x into log x sin x. Now again apply the result. Log a into b. What is log a into b? Log a into b is log a plus log b. So this result becomes log x plus log sin x. Okay. So log v equal to 1 by x into log x plus log sin x. Next step is differentiating on both sides. So derivative of log v. Derivative of log v is 1 by v, and we are differentiating v with respect to x. So dv by dx equal to, again by chain rule for differentiation, 1 by x is first function, log x plus log sin x is second function. So first into derivative of second, that is d by dx of log x plus log sin x, derivative of second, plus second into, what is second function? Log x plus log sin x, second function, into derivative of first function, d by dx of 1 by x. Okay, don't be confused. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Now see, it is 1 by x into derivative of this bracketed expression. Let's see. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus derivative of log sin x. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x. Derivative of log y? 1 by y. So derivative of log sin x is 1 by sin x into derivative of this sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay. Derivative of log x. Log x is 1 by x plus derivative of log sin x. Log sin x is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So the first expression is over, plus log x plus log sin x into second function into derivative of first one, derivative of 1 by x. What is derivative of 1 by x? It's a formula. Derivative of 1 by x is negative 1 by x square. Now open the bracket. 1 by x into 1 by x. 1 by x into 1 by x. 1 by x square. Plus, see here, cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is cot x. Cot x into 1 by x is cot x by x. Okay. 1 by x into 1 by x. 1 by x square. Plus, cos x by sin x is cot x. Cot x into 1 by x. Cot x into 1 by x is cot x by x. Now listen, this plus and this minus. Plus into minus becomes minus. I am going to write minus 1 by x square or 1 by x square firstly. 1 by x square into log x plus log sin x. So this is our what? 1 by v into dv by dx. So from here, what is dv by dx? Take this v to other side. So by v becomes into v. V into 1 by x square plus cot x by x minus 1 by x square into log x plus log sin x. See here, this term log x plus log sin x can be written as, listen, what is log a plus log b? Log a plus log b is log ab, isn't it? So using this result, we can rewrite this as, listen, 1 by x square plus cot x by x minus 1 by x square into log x plus log sin x can be written as log x sin x. X into sin x. Suppose it is a and sin x is b. So it is of the form log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Log a into b. So listen, log x into sin x. Now what is v? V is x sin x raised to 1 by x. That is given x sin x raised to 1 by x. So our dv by dx becomes x sin x raised to 1 by x into 1 by x square plus cot x by x minus 1 by x square into log x sin x. We already seen that du by dx. Now we got dv by dx. So our question was y equal to u plus v form. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Let's see what is du by dx. Du by dx is x cos x raised to x into x cos x raised to x into 1 minus x tan x, 1 minus x tan x plus log x plus log cos x, log x plus log cos x. It is du by dx plus dv by dx. What is dv by dx? Listen, x sin x raised to 1 by x into 1 by x square minus cot x by x, plus cot x by x minus 1 by x square into log x sin x. So this is our answer. No need to simplify. You can directly write dy by dx equal to, okay, as such. So this is our final answer. Anyway, this is the process of finding derivatives of any function given in the form of power to a power function, x raised to y or y raised to x form. Okay, taking logarithm firstly and convert the given function into implicit function form, then differentiating on both sides, we will get the answer. Okay.